Welcome to PRISCI-ANTO Educational Academy. Find the nature of singularity at z is equal to 0 of f of z is equal to sin z divided by z. Answer is, the function f of z is not defined at z is equal to 0. So given f of z is equal to sin z divided by z. So if you are taking limit z tends to 0, sin z divided by z, it will be 0 by 0. Sin 0 divided by 0 will be 0 by 0. So indeterminate form. So therefore by L'Hospital's rule, limit z tends to 0, sin z divided by z can be written as limit z tends to 0 cos z divided by 1, which is equal to cos 0, z tends to 0, so cos 0 is equal to 1. So since the limit exists and it is finite, so therefore the singularity at z is equal to 0 is removable singularity.